guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my client. We are starting off with the Embryo Elise Face Moisturizer, and then next I'm going to go on with the Laura Mercier Face Primer and prime her face first. Now we're going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to go in and start sculpting her brows. She already has really nice full brows, so I didn't want to do too much, so I just wanted to fill them in, make them look a little bit more fuller, and give her a little bit more of a sharper shape. So I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and Espresso to do that. Then I'm going to go in with my Cinema Secrets concealer, and I'm going to use that to sculpt her brows. Do is take that same concealer and apply it all over her lids and use it as an eye primer and set it with some setting powder. My client here actually has falsies, and that's probably one of my biggest pet peeves as doing makeup as a makeup artist is people with these falsies. Y'all have no idea. I'm so used to doing makeup and then putting lashes on last, so to do makeup and everybody already has drag queen lashes on, it's so hard. But anyways, I applied a transition color into her crease, and I'm using the Morphe Copper palette. I used a orangey brown in her crease, and then I took a chunky pencil brush, and then I went in with a reddish brown to further define her crease. We're gonna do a chocolate smoky glittery eye today. So now I'm going in with the chocolate brown, and I'm just applying that all over her mobile lid and just blending that out. As you guys can see, I'm using this color as a base for the glitter that we're going to use on top. And what we're going to use for glitter, I'm going to use a Stila glitter, one of their glitter liners, and I'm going to use that as a base for my adhesive, so you can see that color there. That color actually looks really pretty from here, but in person it was like wicked rainbow. And then now what I'm going to do is go in with my Lit Cosmetics glitter in chocolate, and I'm just going to apply that right on top all over the mobile lid. This is a very simple look, y'all. Now I'm going to go in and apply some black eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Epic Liner to wing out her eyes, and then we're going to do a double liner today. I'm going to go in with the NYX Vivid White Eyeliner and apply a nice thin line on top of that black liner just to add some contrast and pop to the whole look. I didn't realize my camera wasn't recording, so I already went ahead and applied her foundation. For foundation today, I'm using my Cinema Secrets palette, and I applied her highlight and contour, and I'm just blending that out using a beauty blender sponge, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to go in and set that and contour her face using the Makeup Forever bronzer. Now that she's done contouring, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty highlight palette, and I'm going to apply some highlight to the highest points of her face and add some nice glow to her skin. And then I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place blush palette, the Tri palette, and I'm going to use that orangey blush to apply some to her cheeks. I usually don't film the lips. I don't understand why my camera is always overheating when it gets to the lips. So I did not record the lips, but for the lips I am using the NYX lip pencil in Chestnut. And then on top of that, I went in with a Bare Minerals lip gloss, and I believe it's called Chic, to complete the whole look. Have it. This was a very simple look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please make sure you thumbs up, leave me comments below. Until the next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.